Oh boy. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the 2023 CFMOTO 450SS. Joel's on the black and red one. Looks beautiful. We got the Insta-X3 360 camera on it. I'm going to be following behind him. We'll be swapping camera views, and we're just going to get our initial ride review in. Then we've got a special treat in the next video with the SS. We're going to race it against a Honda 500 CBR. But you have to stay tuned for that. For now, we're going to get our initial ride review in. So let's just go for a rip, man. Won't be much talking in this, just riding, flopping between camera angles. A little wet, so we can't push it too much. Let's see how it feels. probably enough.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, let's go that way.
All right. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick ride. I know we didn't get, no aggressive shots. The roads were wet, but we just wanted to take a quick first ride on the 450SS, see how we felt on it, see the ergonomics of it, and just see how comfortable we were. And I was very, very pleased with the ergonomics and seating position. The comfort level that I had on this 450SS felt wonderful. We're going to quickly edit and upload a video that I've been working on. We'll talk a little more about the fit and finish, which is immaculate, just like it is over there on the 300s. But man, you need to come see these in person. The video and pictures don't do them justice. You need to come see one, sit on one, see how you feel on it, and I believe you'll be very well pleased. But that was just a quick first ride, first impressions, very happy. But more seat time, we will give you a better and more detailed review, talk about the specs and all that. But the very next video, when you see the 450SS, it'll be lined up against a 500 CBR from Honda. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Come to Main Street Cycle for all of your CFMOTO needs. If you want a motorcycle, we're the place to go to get you a free 5-year warranty, and we have easy financing. So come see us. Also, we have a lot of accessories that we're about to be bringing to the table. So yeah, God bless you. As always, remember to keep it real. We'll see you in the next one.